Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to invite members to Asana. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe. So I'm going to give you a few different options for inviting people to your Asana account. So the first one is from your home page. So go ahead and log in. Then we're going to look over to the left-hand side and we're going to click on people. So here is where you can invite teammates if you want to frequently collaborate with them on different projects. So all I need to do is click the plus icon, add in an email address, and send them an invite to collaborate with you. The other option is to invite team members to specific projects. For example, if I click onto my projects tab, I'm going to click onto my top project, the content calendar, and then when I look over to the top right hand corner, I can click on share and I can invite people to collaborate with me on this project. Once you've added the email in, you can give them different permission levels. So what do you want them to be able to do? Do you want them to be a project admin where they have full access to change all the settings and modify or delete? Or do you want them to be an editor so they can edit and delete anything? Or do you want them to just be a commenter or just a viewer? So click which one you want that to be, add the email in, and then send an invite, and you will have added a member to your Asana project. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.